Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at 5 of the best beard trimmers on the market. If you're looking for a professional grooming experience at home, these devices are perfect for you. We'll go through the features, pros, and cons of each one to help you decide which trimmer is the right fit for you. Let's get started. 1. Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer. The Cleanup Master, the Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer, is designed to eliminate the mess that comes with shaving. Its vacuum system captures 95% of the trimmed hairs, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up the bathroom afterward. This feature makes the shaving process quicker and more practical. The removable stainless steel blades are easy to clean and stay sharp for a long time. The durability and sharpness of the blades ensure a smooth cut every time. With 14 different length and style settings, you can adjust your beard from 2 mm to 18 mm, allowing you to achieve your desired look, whether you prefer a shorter, cleaner style or a longer beard. The 90-minute cordless use is more than sufficient for most grooming routines. However, for those with more frequent trimming needs, a longer battery life might be more ideal. Overall, it's an excellent option, especially when it comes to keeping things tidy. Second, Wahl Pro Series, the powerhouse performer. The Wahl Pro Series is built for a professional grooming experience right at home. Its powerful vacuum system collects 95% of the trimmed hairs, making the post-shave cleanup almost non-existent. This is a great feature for anyone looking to save time. The washable and removable stainless steel blades offer long-lasting performance and are easy to clean, ensuring that you always get the sharpest cut. With 14 length settings ranging from 2 mm to 18 mm, you have full control over your beard style. Whether you want a stubble look or a fuller beard, this trimmer has you covered. The Wahl Pro Series also comes with a lithium battery that offers 90 minutes of cordless use. While it's great for long sessions, the trimmer is a bit on the heavy side, which could cause some fatigue during extended use. But with its strong performance, this is a small trade-off. 3. Braun Series 9440. The Swiss Army knife of trimmers. The Braun Series 9440 is the Swiss Army knife of trimmers. If you're not just looking to groom your beard, but also trim your hair and body, this trimmer has you covered. It can trim, detail, contour, fade, and even take care of ear and nose hair, all in one device. This versatility makes it one of the most comprehensive devices on the market. With Pro Wheel technology, the Braun Series 9 offers 40 different length settings, allowing for complete customization. Whether you're aiming for a super short look or a longer style, you have full control. Plus, the Pro Lock system locks in your chosen setting so that you don't accidentally switch during trimming. One of its standout features is AutoSense technology, which automatically adjusts the power based on your hair thickness, ensuring an optimal shave every time. And with a 100-minute battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent charging, though it may be priced higher than other trimmers. Its versatility and quality make it a worthy investment. 4. Panasonic E-RSB 40K. The Precision King, the Panasonic E-RSB 40K, is all about precision. It features 19 different length settings, allowing for millimeter-level accuracy when trimming your beard. This trimmer lets you cut your beard exactly how you want it, whether you're going for a clean look or something a little more rugged. Its powerful motor runs at 9,800 cuts per minute, providing consistent performance throughout your shave. Even if the battery starts to run low, the motor won't lose power. The ergonomic, rubberized design gives you a secure grip, making sure it won't slip out of your hand during use. This trimmer offers both corded and cordless use. In cordless mode, it gives you 60 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for most users. However, if you need more extended use, the 60-minute battery life might feel a bit limited. Still, for those seeking precision, this is an excellent option. 5. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. The ultimate all-in-one grooming tool, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is truly an all-in-one grooming solution. With 30 different length settings, you can customize your trim to achieve exactly the look you want. And since it's waterproof, you can easily use it in the shower, making it incredibly convenient. The stainless steel blades provide a smooth and even cut, no matter how thick your beard is. The self-sharpening blades ensure that each trim is as precise as the first. Plus, its lithium-ion battery offers 120 minutes of cordless use, making it perfect for long grooming sessions. Another great feature is its integration with the Groom Tribe app. With the app, you can try out different beard styles virtually and find the one that suits you best. This trimmer truly combines style and functionality, making it a top choice for those who want versatility and performance. Each trimmer we've looked at today offers something unique. If cleanliness is your priority, the Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer could be your go-to. If you're after a stronger vacuum and longer battery life, the Wahl Pro Series is an excellent choice. For versatility versatility and professional results, go for the Braun Series 99440. If precision is what you're after, the Panasonic ER-SB40-K is a great option. And if waterproof features and long battery life are important to you, then the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is the perfect pick. That's it for today's video. I hope this review helps you make the right choice. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Take care.